Hi, I'm Chloe, and today I'm going to learn how to taste chocolate like a pro.
I'm Jean Apostolou, chef chocolatier at Godiva. I fell in love simply with food in general, very young. I remember the first time I accessed a chocolate workshop. You could not imagine the smell. I discovered as well the complexity of working with chocolate.
So we all love to eat chocolate, but how do we taste chocolate like a pro?
I can show you what I'm usually doing. Have a look, is it shiny or not?
And what is that telling us?
That the chocolate has been properly processed and kept at 18 to 20 degrees C. Then we can touch the chocolate. It's developing the smell of cocoa. And then you breathe simultaneously. The flavor really expands.
So it's a bit like when you taste wine and you suck the air through.
Exactly.
So what notes should I be getting?
Every chocolate has its personality. We tried the 85% now. This chocolate is much darker. You really smell cocoa. The cocoa expresses itself much more.
It's not over bitter though.
No, it's quite sharp, but well balanced.
So the finer the chocolate, the more of a smooth, silky experience you have on the tongue. Oh, so good. Should we go with the milk?
You chew a little bit, you let it melt, you take some air. You feel the milk, the dairies, the caramel appears.
It's really creamy as well.
Yeah, creamy. Absolutely.
So good.
So Chloe, you are able to taste chocolate like a pro.
You've opened my whole world.